So our next lesson is about solving problems, which involves rational expressions and also quadratic equation. But first, let's tackle solving problems, which involves rational expressions. So let's have this problem. So let's read. Angela and Mia are doing a math project. Mia can do the work twice as fast as Angela. If they work together, they can finish the project in 4 hours. So I'm going to explain this one in English first, but later I'm going to translate it in Tagalog in favor for those students who can't easily understand if the language is English. So I'm going to translate it in Tagalog. So yeah, Angela and Mia are doing a math project. So basically, they are doing a math project, but they don't do it by pair. So they are working individually. So let's have this another sentence. So Mia can do the work twice as fast as Angela. So therefore, in this sentence, it states that Mia works faster than Angela. It's because of this twice as fast as Angela man. She can work twice as fast as Angela. So therefore, Mia works faster than Angela. So if they work together, they can finish the project in 4 hours. So I'm going to translate it now in Tagalog. So, ito na yun. So Angela at Mia daw ay gumagawa ng math project. Pero hindi sila by pair dito ha. Although pareho silang gumagawa ng math project, pero ginagawa nila ito individually. Kapag individually is kanya-kanya sila. Pero nakalagay dito na si Mia daw can do the project twice as fast as Angela. Kapag sinabing twice as fast as Angela, times 2 yung bilis niya na matapos yung project kaysa kay Angela. So therefore, si Mia, ang rate niya dito is times 2 ang bilis kaysa kay Angela. So gagawin natin yung mathematical terms mamaya. If they work together, kapag daw nag-work sila pareho, they can finish, or kapag nag-combine sila or nagsanib puwesa, they can finish the project in 4 hours. Okay, let's have first each rates. So let's have the Angela's rate and Mia's rate. Okay, from this example, Angela's rate was not stated. If you are going to read again the word problem, Angela's rate was not stated. So therefore, Angela's rate right here is unknown. So let's write it unknown. And as you all know, if the given rate is unknown, therefore we can use variables, any kind of letters. Since the value is still unknown, so we can use variables. In this example, I'm going to use x. Okay, next. Since we know the Angela's rate, let's have the Mia's rate. Okay, ito. Mia can do the work twice as fast as Angela. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nagawa ni Angela 1 hour yung project, kasi times 2 yung bilis niya kay Angela daw. So, matatapos ni Mia yung project 30 minutes kaysa kay Angela na 1 hour. Kasi times 2 yun eh. Kaya i-divide natin yung time ni Angela into 2 para makuha natin yung rate ni Mia. Kasi times 2 yung bilis niya kaysa kay Angela. So, kapag 1 hour yung yung time ni Angela, so masosolve ni Mia yon, or matatrabaho ni Mia yon half sa time ni Angela, which is 30 minutes. Paano makuha yon? We have x divided by 2. So, i-divide lang natin yung time ni Angela into 2 para makuha natin yung rate ni Mia. Kasi twice as fast, mas mabilis siya. Times 2 yung bilis niya. So, that is why we divide it by 2. Okay, let's have question number 1. If Angela can finish the job in X hours alone, how many hours will it take Mia to do the same job alone? So, X yung kay Angela. So, therefore, yung kay Mia dito is X over 2. Na-solve na natin. Ito yung Mia's rate. So, ang Mia's rate or ang hours na it will take Mia to do the same job is x over 2. Okay, next. How would you represent the amount of work that Angela can finish in 1 hour? So in this example, we can now use the formula of work problems. So the formula for the work problems is, formula like the velocity is equal to distance over time. As you can see, velocity is equal to distance over time. But we are not talking about distance or velocity right here. We're talking about the work rate. So we can have it project over the same. We have time to do the project. So we will use this formula, project over time to do the project. So let's have it here. How would you represent the amount of work that Angela can finish in 1 hour? So we have W is equal to P over time, project over time to do the project. This is for Angela, and Angela's rate is, this is Angela's rate. Angela's rate is X. So we have project 1 hour, or one project over time, which is time to do the project, which is X. So we have the time for Angela as 1 over X. Okay, next. How would you represent... okay. Ito na pala yung answer nun. Next question is... How about the amount of work that Mia can finish in 1 hour? So we can still use the formula, project over time. Time to do the project. So we have project as 1. And then time, which is time to do the project, or Mia's rate. Mia's rate is X over 2. So therefore, we can substitute X over 2 right here in our T, or in Mia's rate. So we have X divided by 2. As you can see, a fraction over a fraction. So if we are going to divide right here, we will make this operation, the division will make it as multiplication since fraction ang sa baba. So we have 1 times, and the fraction right here in the denominator, we will invert that one. So we have 2 over X. So we have 1 times 2, 2 over X. So Mia can finish the work in 1 hour for 2 over X. Okay, that is the answer for our question number 3. So let's move on to the question number 4. If they work together, what equation would represent the amount of work they can finish in 1 hour? So, ito na. The answer for question number 2 is 1 over X. Ito, which is Angela's rate, or Angela's rate in doing the work within 1 hour. Plus, this is Angela's rate. Plus Mia's rate, and then time working together. So next is the Mia's rate. Mia's rate is 2 over X is equal to T working together 1 over working together is 4 hours, diba? Now, if they work together, they can finish the project in 4 hours. So let's have 4 as our denominator. So therefore, this is the answer for our question number 2. Please watch the next video for the example of solving quadratic equations in word problems. Thank you.